Welcome to MVP Auto Update Hub. Into the 2024 Corvette is here, redefining American muscle with cutting-edge technology, breathtaking design, and mind-blowing performance. If you thought Corvette couldn't get any better, think again. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about this beast. Sculpted to perfection, the 2024 Corvette combines heritage with innovation. The bold stance, wide fenders, and signature mid-engine layout give it an unmistakable presence. Whether parked or in motion, this car turns heads everywhere. The striking LED taillights and quad exhaust tips scream performance, while the functional aerodynamics ensure maximum downforce and stability at high speeds. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with performance. High-quality materials, carbon fiber trims, and premium leather seats make every drive feel special. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster and massive infotainment screen keep you connected and in control. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, lies the heart of the Corvette, a monstrous 6.2 LLT 2V8 pushing out 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, it rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds. That's supercar territory. With magnetic ride control, an advanced suspension system, and rear-wheel drive, the 2024 Corvette delivers razor-sharp handling and an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. Whether on the track or the open road, this car is built to thrill. Tech lovers, rejoice! The Corvette comes loaded with the latest features: wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall. But performance isn't everything. The 2024 Corvette is equipped with advanced safety tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, ensuring confidence on every drive. And for those craving even more power, the Z06 variant takes things to another level. With a naturally aspirated 5.5L flat plane crank V8, 670 horsepower, and a screaming redline of 8,600 RPM, this is the closest thing to a race car for the streets. The 2024 Corvette starts at around $66,000, offering insane value for a mid-engine supercar. With multiple trims and customization options, you can build the perfect Corvette to match your style. So, what do you think of the 2024 Corvette? Is it the ultimate American sports car? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love car content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from MVP Auto Update Hub. See you in the next video.